Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I used some water decals, and I loved these so much. I haven't worn them on my hands yet, but I definitely have another tutorial coming where I will be doing some watercolor and just this amazing watercolor design. I'm like so excited. But anyway, let's get on to this tutorial. So I am actually taking perfect white buttercream, and then I'll take the real red, which you can see here. So when I show you the decals, what I actually did was paint the background to match the decal. Now this one is not very good, and not because I just didn't match it very well. Let's just say that, okay? But I tried to go ahead and put color down on the base over like putting it on top. Does that make sense? Like I wanted it to have a color underneath. So that is what I was going off of. So you can see I'm going to do each one on the respective nails. So water decals are so easy. Put it in, plop it in, wait 2 seconds, and take it out. Like literally take it out. And I love me some tweezers because you don't want to ruin the design. You just kind of want to like, you know, kind of move it off to the side. So I'm doing this in real time so you guys can see. But there's like a little clear edge, which you can kind of see. That's what I grab. And then I go ahead and put it on the nail. So this is in real time, which I will let you watch because literally all I'm doing is like fidgeting with it. So we're taking another one here, did the same steps, and I had it on that white background because this is all white, which I loved so much. This is probably my favorite nail just because it was so easy to kind of put on and just have that white background, and it's the white decal. So I really liked that. I think it would be really good if there were some clear ones in there as well. But since these are all images, I had to kind of paint my own background, which wasn't bad, but in hindsight, I probably didn't have to paint my own background, but you'll see one of the ones that I kind of, you know, fudge up here in a little bit. I mean, you could have painted over it or switched it. It's not that big of a deal, but I wanted to really position it, get all the liquid out, really kind of make sure it was in the position I want. So that's why you see me probably fidgeting with it a little bit more. This one was like, I think the secret, I don't want to say secret Santa because that's super lame, but secret hidden gem of the group because of that little Santa hat, especially since I kind of maneuver it over a little bit more to like show some of the red, which is why I'm so glad that I had that red background up there. And this is the one I mess up. So you can see in his beard, which I know it's kind of lame to show your mess ups, you see that kind of red. If I had just done it all white, it would have been more better, okay? I did that on purpose, if you're wondering. But yeah, we get it there. So I fast forwarded these a little bit. They're in 200%. This one also was one of my favorite. I think I like the solid color ones. I don't know why I do, but I don't know. I just do. They speak to me. So again, I'm just flattening out the sides, trying to get all the water out and just letting it dry a little bit. So the good thing about that is you move on to the next one. The previous one is drying. And then I recommend doing this. You don't have to. You can wait and file it off. This is acetone that I am getting off like all the extra decal. You don't have to do it, but I do. I think it really helped it, especially around that one because I didn't want to like the image was higher than the original kind of intent, which is what I wanted, because I wanted the image up farther than the actual nail. Okay, so this is where I'm putting down a clear coat and then building my apex up. Now I paint after this. I recommend doing your gel overlay after you do whatever painting and adding or glitter you want to do. I show you this in real time, and I show you one more, because you just do it exactly how you would a normal nail. You are just embedding this. Again, I highly recommend you do all your, other gel painting. If you want to, you don't have to, if you don't want to, but I wanted to, because I really wanted it to kind of like blend together and just kind of like spice it up a little bit. And it comes out okay in the end, although the only thing that is a little bit different is the fact that it's kind of floating on top of the actual gel, which you'll see here in a second, because I'm going to come back and it's going to be beautifully filed and buffed and all that good stuff. So it's movie magic here, okay? It's fine. So look, it's all buffed and it's a little blurry because it's buffed, but here I am adding that gel. I really wish I had it underneath, and I'm so mad that I did that, but it's okay. It still looked good on top, and I really, really, really liked this set. So I will let you kind of watch me doodle on this. The magic of top coat, literally the best part. So I used a shiny top coat because I thought it would look the best over these guys. But yeah, that was it. Literally, a water decal is something that can add so much dimension to a simple nail. Like literally, I painted one color, or two colors to be exact. But look at how much dimension it adds, especially that face one. Like hidden gem right there. All right, guys. Well, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial. Again, kind of, you can live through the trials of my fails. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.